I like how I got the AFs on there, okay. Okay, I see y'all on that picture in there. I see y'all jamming. Alright. Y'all giving me South Beach vibes, you hear me? The whole family set up, everything. And he got the car. Stop playing, man. Hey, and he got the see-through motor. Stop playing, man. Stop playing, man. And, right, and they tan to stop. Hey, stop playing. Y'all got YouTube? No, you come on, man. Y'all gotta get it together, man.
Everybody been telling.
Come on, you and your family, man. Come on, man. Tell them to get it together. This mud nice though, man. I like that, you heard me? Y'all know I love them SS's. This motherfucker right here. This bitch is nice. Cap. Now this mud. Man. I don't really like the Ruchis, but this motherfucker SS, it's an SS. I really can't say nothing, y'all, cause it's an SS. What the fuck you gonna say? This motherfucker look gorgeous. Oh, see. And they the float cat. I don't know. I can't even say too much. He floating on their ass, so you ain't floating, you ain't voting. Fuck wrong with you? I'm just saying. And they got the T-tops on it. Man, stop playing. Let your bitch hair blow in the wind in this motherfucker. You hear me? Got the heavy Chevy in this motherfucker. You heard me? They got the heavy Chevy in this motherfucker. Get it. Y'all stop playing, man. Stop motherfucker playing. Cause if you ain't spending, you ain't winning. Fuck wrong with you. You heard me? You know I like the Blazer too. I ain't gonna cap. This motherfucker definitely bring back some memories from high school when you was getting busy. You heard me? And they floating, so they vote. Fuck wrong with you? Cause if you ain't float, you ain't vote, bitch. And we got the inside done in this bitch. You heard me?
Nah, I don't want to do it that.
Motor them clean. Okay. I like that bitch.